بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والحمد لله رب العالمين. In this lecture we will talk about improving the process or the abilities of the cross-functional teams. We want to have more effective cross-functional teams, more efficient teams that handle the problems. So we want to make more abilities or give more support for the cross-functional teams to reach the effectiveness. It means we have here people. These people are formulating what we see it's a cross-functional team. We want to have them to be more effective in their work. So the secret word here, to me, be more effective and to be more efficient in doing their tasks. So we want to enable them. We want to give some recognition for this work. So we have here 6 questions. And these 6 questions are leading us step by step in certain procedures, in certain ideas. By answering these questions, we can understand that we are reaching the effectiveness and the efficiency of these cross-functional teams. So when we have them efficient and effective, so we can expect excellent results from the team. So the starting point here, it's from the process for creation or establishing and giving them the enablers that supports their work and their ideas. These enablers or ideas starts from the team selection. Think about the objectives, formulation for these teams. How about the board of directors or the management? The board of directors or the management. Indicators or ideas about selecting the cross-functional teams. What are the benefits or the results or the things that will given as rewards? Rewarding system, rewarding for these cross-functional teams to make them more enthusiastic in doing the work. Think about the effectiveness of objectives and resources, efficiency of how they can use the resources. Given to them. Think about the suppliers, key suppliers. Do they have the abilities to understand what are the keys, who are the key suppliers, choose them? What purpose we are formulating the cross-functional for, when to formulate the cross-functional teams for. So we have multiple questions and multiple ideas. These are the key points that we will talk about in form of 6 questions. Answering them, you are taking the right road. Let's see the ideas in more details. Improving source team effectiveness. Questions starting number 1. What is involved in cross-functional team planning? What is? We think about the planning for the teams, for the assignments that could face us. These assignments could be challenges, problems, could be opportunities. First of all, we need to think about selecting certain tasks with limited resources and understanding the organization's point of view and strategy. Sourcing teams all the time consider the work comes from important tasks in order to make the organization more successful and having the complex issue faced by the organization to be solved. And the benefits from the team members, because of their skills and abilities and knowledge, they have a significant impact for the organization. Also think about selecting the team members and the leaders. The key individuals formulated a team and the leader that could be what we say it's a liaison or the circulation among the members. It could be from one to the other. Each meeting that we have a one leader comes to be one team member, he's a leader, and so on. We need to assess our individuals according their aims, their knowledge, their time to be used, their working abilities, communication abilities, how they perform their functional areas, they are willing to use their abilities to work with the others. Also think about giving a training for these cross-functional team members. The training gives them the ability to see in more clearer point of view and to have some certain management skills and conflict resolutions abilities. The word consensus in decision making could come to the surface easily among them. Also, the abilities of solving the problems, they have the scientific way, or they have more in-depth understanding how to go in the process of problem solving. They can set the goals easily. They communicate their ideas among them easily. Also, regarding the resources available could be available for the team members, they should be under control of the team themselves. They are respected and they are mature enough to make use of the resources in an efficient manner, and their performance, the team performance, is today a challenge or an asset for the organization to better use the resources, and helps the organization and the other departments to better do their services, and with the suppliers to better participating with the suppliers. Other issues such as the authority given to the teams, when the teams frequently meet and evaluate the challenges or the problems, physical location of the team members, how they could meet using the technology today is very important, the rewarding system that they think of. So we have multiple issues to be considered. So this is question number one. Let's go back, which is what is involved issues in cross-functional team planning. These issues should be taken into consideration. Question number two, simply, does senior management practice subtle control over sourcing teams? Here we have the board of directors. We have the management of organization. They would like to have some direct control over team. This control involves giving them abilities and resources and authorities to do their tasks and responsibilities within an issue or a problem or an opportunity. Same time, and giving them responsibilities comes from the given authority from them, from the management to the team, to help them do their activities. But same time, they can have some kind of control over the teamwork. The work of the team goes to the board of directors, to the management, to make sure that the outcomes are successful and they are in control with the organization's strategies and main objectives. Think about the authorizing abilities. Think about the the actions taken by the sourcing teams, they should be understood by the management. Also, the tasks for the team members and the limits of the activities are clearly shown from the beginning because they're in need of the support of the management. The objectives, first of all, should be stated, established by the team with acceptance of the board of management. When we select the team leaders and members, they should be according to the understanding of the board of directors. When the key members in this team would like to establish milestones or make reporting systems or to have some certain issues, telling the board of directors, we finished stage 1, we are moving to stage 2, we are finishing stage 2, moving to the stage 3, we call these turning or certain points, we call them milestones. So these milestones are clearly given to the board of directors or within the understanding of the board of directors. Also, when we have performance outcomes, we should have them stated in reports. Our performance are reviewed and conducted simply by our management. So the senior management, they are involved in the main issues, but not in the day-to-day activities and these details, to make sure that the progress given or handled by the cross-functional teams is accepted and in the right track of the point of view of the board of directors or the management of the organization. Moving to question number 3, do team members get recognized and rewarded? The rewarding system for the individuals, because of the effort and work and the performance of the team as a one group, this gives the recognition, the enthusiastic issues for the team members and making everybody happy and would like to give more effort and to give an example for other members inside organizations, non-team members, giving them the idea of why not to be a team in the team next time, because we want to be rewarded and recognized by everybody. Simple word recognizing is by pointing out or speaking about the team members as good persons inside our organizations. Rewarding could be rewarded, some people are rewarded in form of tangible or intangible benefits or things given to our team members because of their performance and work. The recognitions and the rewarding system sometimes, first of all, makes the team would like to be more active and the performance to be more effective. And it's a message that the management is taking care about you as a team member and about your performance. Also, the rewarding system talks about a simple type of how we can evaluate the performance. And we can recognize and respect your work for the benefit of all functional areas and for the organization. This helps also when we would like to promote somebody to look for his efforts in the team member, cross-functional team members. These are important individuals and important opportunities for the team members to be nominated for higher positions. So think about the promotion, think about the pay rises. Also we have the cash rewards directly, non-monetary rewards such as giving some certain events, social events, giving them to be invited to, and we can speak about these in person with the others about them. The recognition by using newsletters. We have some news about these people who are selected for the team and their achievements as notices given on in the boards that say news boards that is spread around inside the organizations. Moving to question number 4, are the right individuals chosen to be team leaders? So here we want to think about individuals who are very active. We want to have people they can share ideas and they are nominated or could be senior managers in the future. Usually organizations give more attention for the team members, give them the training they need, the resources and the authorities, and to try to see their work. Also, would like to be a team member, you should make everybody realize that you are doing good work to accompany others and you have the right skills that you can help others. The team members has something special. They are sharing information and knowledge and experience and relation among people. So you are somebody who we can say you are a good citizen for the organization, for your functional area, and for the team. Also, the authority given for the team, these team leaders, try to decrease the chances of the problems they could face and increases the chances for success for the teams. We need the delegation of authority given from the managers to the team members and leaders. And we can give them this opportunity because we want to see them leaders in the near future. Team leaders should coach others and facilitate others, give the directions for the team members, direct them, and they do not give their direct orders for others. Even they have more experience and more knowledge and they have higher positions. Managers, same time, by giving and assessing the qualifications and the skills and the training and the experience of the team members, managers all the time should evaluate the team leaders' performance and try to think about their strengths and weaknesses and how they can face the opportunities, face the challenges, and take care about the opportunities in order to have these ideas written in the performance evaluation forms. They can rank also, managers can rank also the team leaders to say that these problems or these challenges, we want to nominate this leader. And that problem could be nominated by that leader. So we know our leaders' abilities and how we can give them the goals that is suited for them. The feedback given from the team leaders for the managers and the managers to the team leaders, exchange of this kind of information with more training abilities and coaching guidelines, it gives that direction for the whole, the team and the organization, to be better and to solve the problems, to be more effective in the business fields. And finally, we have the individual leaders and their teams work together to give an action which is correct, which is the right action and the best practice for the organization to undertake in the real world of business. Question number 5, do sourcing teams effectively establish goals? Yes. These goals should be effective enough, and these goals should be clear enough for everybody, and it should be formulated from the team members and accepted by the management. They know exactly that the team members, they should know what they want to do, the implications and the outcomes they could reach, what things they shouldn't do or should not take in consideration. The goals, they are stated side by side by the progress needed from and the feedback given from the management. The performing is allocating for resources, allocating for achievements in reality. And sometimes these goals are challenging enough, not simple and easy goals. We say demanding goals, but not attainable. Simple goals means teams are not giving that much effort, and challenging goals, these are giving respect for the teams. But yet, these goals should be attained, not something that we can imagine but not achieve. When we want to define our goals, we have a process of these simple steps. First of all, the teams describe and discuss the assignment that they are facing, and to know exactly what are the tasks and job to be completed, and what is the main objectives for the boards and the guidelines for the board of directors. Number 2, the team assess the abilities and the achievements by comparing what is needed and what is expected from the other functions or from the company managers. And what is the impact expected from their work? So what is the situation? What is expected? And number 3, they want to take care about the chosen aims, that they are suiting their resources and abilities, and they have specific goals. So what is now, what is expected, and how we can do it with our simple abilities. Finally, we go to the question number 6. Are key suppliers part of the sourcing teams? This is an issue, is very important because of our subject and our functional area. Teams should include the suppliers very early to make sure that they are effective in their working. No goal could be achieved without the efforts of the assignments given to the team with combination with the suppliers. Think about the information sharing and how we can reflect this on the quality of our work, and finally our output. And also the suppliers' achievements could give more importance and support for the team goals and the final work. When we say we have questions or a roadmap to make our cross-functional teams more effective, we should link this with the work with the suppliers, which is question number 6. This is why, because we want our work to be more efficient and effective, to select the suppliers regarding the right time, the right effort, the right quality, the right supplier selection, the right delivery, and fewer mistakes, low problems or mistakes, low surprises that can control our work and make us facing a new problem. A cross-functional team, still, it's one of the best practices that the benchmark organization uses in the world of business. So take care about formulating teams, and these teams should be good enough to face these challenges, that these challenges does not stop attending the world of business all the time. Thank you very much for your attention and time, and see you again, inshallah, and goodbye.